Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on Temu. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Temu app and we click here. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage, then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Temu and then you will update your app like this. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.